na-appreciate ko yung heart tsaka head. Kasi yung top 1 and 2 na babasahin, parang in order yun. So, parang na-appreciate ko siya kasi yun nga eh. Dapat may heart ka. Importante yun.
Correct.
In the same, yun yung motivation mo to do the things eh. Pero hindi sapat na ganun lang. Hindi sapat na may motivation ka lang.
Correct. Tapos wala kang ginawa.
Tapos wala kang alam kung paano i-execute yun. Gusto mo lang mangyari na maayos yung buhay ng tao. And wala na. Pero yung may head ka,
How to do it.
magaling kang mag-strategize, magaling kang mag-execute. That's additional something. Siyempre, hands to do the work. Hindi naman pwedeng ikaw lang yung direct ng direct. You should be able to do the work as well.
Or possible din in a team. Pero dapat maganda na may heart lahat.
Oo, dapat.
Pero in a team, okay din na.
Pare-parehas kayo ng heart.
Pare-pareho kayo ng heart. Tapos, merong taga-conceptualize, merong taga-gawa. Kasi maganda yun.
Siguro the good thing lang din, even it's King Sejong, yung bida dito sa museum na to, they really mention people who rallied with him.
Exactly.
Doon sa gusto niyang mangyari. Kasi yun doon sa pag-create ng Hangul, yung Korean alphabet, marami sila naging challenges along the way eh, na parang
Asa matagal bago siya tines.
binabangga na yung Chinese whatever kasi China yung prominent that time. May mga Confucianism na nagre-react na against it. Pero dahil may mga people who rallied with him, they were able to do it.